everyone, welcome back to our Freshers Now YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Army Base Workshop Recruitment 2023. Before going to the video, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and be a part of our YouTube family. And if you want to download this notification and if you want to read this on your own, we had provided the link in the description. You can download this from that link. And before going to the detailed information, let's see the overview of this notification. The organization that has released this notification is Indian Army for the post apprentice, and total 283 post vacancies are released in this notification, and the Army Base Workshop name is 512 Army Base Workshop, and the applications are already started and it is going to be end by 5th February 2023, and the mode of application is both online and offline. And the selection process will be based on written test followed by an interview, and the job location is across India. And if you have any queries, you can go through this official website www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. Let's see the vacancies of this apprenticeship. There are total 283 post vacancies as I said above, and in that there are 3 vacancies for the post graduate or diploma technical apprentice and 280 post vacancies for ITI trade apprentice. And for departmental wise vacancies, you can check the official notification through the link given below. Coming to the educational qualifications, for the post graduate or diploma technical apprentice, you should have qualified engineering degree or diploma in a relevant subject, and for the post ITI trade apprentice, you should have completed your ITI in a relevant trade. Coming to the age limit, the candidates who are applying for this apprenticeship post should have completed 14 years of age, and the age limit and age relaxation is applicable for this apprenticeship job, and you can refer the official notification for those details. Let's see the stipend. In the duration of first year of training, the candidates will get a stipend of 9,167 rupees, and in the duration of second year of training, you will get stipend of 10,476 rupees. And in the duration of third year of training, you will get a stipend of 11,786. At last, we can see the selection process. The candidates will be shortlisted on the basis of written examination, and the examination will be conducted on 27th February 2023. And all the shortlisted candidates, that means those who are qualified in the written examination, will be shortlisted, and those shortlisted candidates will be called for an interview. So this is the brief information of Army Base Workshop 2023. If you want to download this notification, we had provided the link in the description. We had also provided the registration link in the description. Hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.